Turn it off. Turn it off.
Sweetie, move over.
I'm at the edge, babe. I was like half off the bed all night. It's not enough room.
You're always complaining about this bed being too small, this apartment being too small.
We need more room.
I know we've had this conversation. I want it too. I'm just a little nervous about financial situation, like what we were talking about.
Yeah. Well, if I get that job, that changes a lot. We can get a bigger place.
Yeah.
We saw this video on the internet, which is a worldwide network of computers. We brought the kid in. Need you to put the scare in her.
Sure thing, Captain. Seemed like an innocent kid. How'd you get mixed up in a life of crimes?
I'm sorry. I just did it to be cool.
Did your friends pressure you into this?
It was the internet. Wanted to be like everyone else on Schmerald Star.
Schmerald Star.
Yeah, Schmerald Star flip-flop. You don't know it?
I don't do computers.
It's this site where teens gather to hang out and trade cool videos of jaywalking.
Show me.
Mírame, si yo fuera presidente de un país, yo decretaría un acápite extraordinario a darle un diezmo a todos mis canchanchanes los viernes para que beban.
So how much we got in today, guys?
We didn't make shit. We better off just smuggling these people.
We are providing a service to these people. We're making these lovely people feel special about giving back to a cause. So we embellish a little.
Gonna cross the cheek saying, nay, nay, nay. Nay, nay, nay. My. Take a deep breath when you do it, okay? My. Why fly so high? Why fly so high?
Ni un minuto. Lo he intentado, pero no hemos podido aguantar más.
Naturalized United American, USA citizen. I have my whole life here basically now. I depend on it. That'll be destroying my dreams. That'll be destroying everything that I believe in. It'll be, for me, like sending me to jail, sending me back to a place that I don't want to be in, a place that I don't have a future, in my opinion. I mean, I might be wrong, but I don't think it'll be fair.
Look, you gotta understand sometimes. It's gonna get tough. It's gonna get real tough. That's when you find out who you are. It's gonna get hard. Every fight starts within. Within. It's the flesh that makes you weak. The champion pushes past that. Why? He understands adversity. That's the difference between a champion and a chump.
Sé que son más fuertes, pero las órdenes son claras. Tenemos que resistir. Hemos fallado otras veces, pero esta vez no pueden pasar por aquí.
Hey, Dad. It's me. And I'm not afraid of the dark anymore. I'm gonna keep my promise. And I'm gonna rehearse with you no matter what. And I hope you're there to help. I can see you. No.